Imagine if your data had a passport. Well, HubSpot just made it a whole lot easier for your data to come home. Today we're going over HubSpot's new feature that lets you migrate your account data to a data center closer to or even within your jurisdiction. Whether you're dealing with compliance headaches or just want to keep things local, this is a feature worth paying attention to. If you're already using HubSpot, you know it's a powerhouse for managing marketing, sales, and customer service. But up until now, your data might have been stored in a location that wasn't exactly ideal, whether for compliance reasons, performance, or just peace of mind. That's where this new feature comes in. HubSpot now gives you the option to move your account data to a data center that's geographically closer to you or even within your jurisdiction. For businesses with strict data sovereignty requirements or those who just like to keep things close to home, this is a game changer. What is data sovereignty? If you're not familiar with the term, it's the idea that data is subject to laws and regulations of the country or region where it's stored. This is a critical issue for businesses operating in regions with strict privacy laws. Different countries have different rules about how data should be stored, accessed, and shared. For example, businesses in Australia often need to ensure customer data is stored locally to comply with privacy laws. Keeping your data within your jurisdiction not only helps you stay compliant, but also protects your businesses from potential legal headaches and costly breaches. It's not just about ticking a box. It's about safeguarding your customers' sensitive information and your reputation. But compliance is just one piece of the puzzle. Moving your data closer to home can also have a big impact on performance. Think faster access times, better security, and improved system stability. It's like upgrading from a long-distance relationship to having everything right next door. When your data is stored closer to your team and your customers, you'll notice the difference in how quickly and smoothly everything runs. And let's face it, no one has time for laggy systems or unnecessary delays. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how much of a hassle is it to move everything? The good news is that HubSpot has made the migration process as smooth as possible. It's quick, there's minimal downtime, which can even be scheduled over a weekend, and their team is there to support you every step of the way. No drama, no stress, just a seamless transition. You'll barely notice it's happening, and once it's done, you'll be set up for better performance and compliance. In today's world, data security and compliance are non-negotiable. We've all seen the fallout from high-profile data breaches, and no one wants to be the next cautionary tale. By giving businesses the option to store data locally or closer to home, HubSpot is helping you stay ahead of the curve. It's not just about meeting compliance requirements. It's about having confidence that your data is secure, accessible, and performing at its best. And let's be honest, knowing your data is safe and sound is one less thing to worry about in an already busy day. Whether you're an Australian business needing to keep data within the country, a European company navigating GDPR, or a business anywhere else looking to optimize performance, this feature is a no-brainer. HubSpot's new migration option gives you more control over your data, so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and delivering great customer experiences. So if you're using HubSpot, now's the time to check out these new migration options. It's one of those behind-the-scenes upgrades that can make a huge difference in how you manage your data, meet compliance requirements, and improve performance. And the best part? It's all handled with the same ease and efficiency you've come to expect from HubSpot. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights and updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy HubSpotting.